Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject reasoning. Chapter number 13, number series 2. This is our lecture number 14. Now beta, in our last video lecture we have already learned about what is number series and we have done the first form of number series. In that we have studied about how to find out the odd one out from the given numbers. ठीक है बेटा, हमने हमारी लास्ट वीडियो में भी नंबर सीरीज लर्न किया था और उसमें हमने ये सीखा था फर्स्ट फॉर्म में कि किस तरह से हम ऑड वन आउट नंबर्स को फाइंड आउट करते हैं. ओके, so today beta we will learn about the second form of number series, okay, in which a numerical series is given and we have to find out the next number. Let's see within an example. Here it is given 4, 9, 14, 19 and then dash, and our options are A 14, B 19, C 29 and D 24. So beta, in these type of questions what we have to do, first of all we have to find out the difference between first two numbers. So here our first two numbers are 4 and 9. So 9 is the greater number than 4. So we have to find out the difference by subtracting 4 from 9 and the difference is 5. Okay, so to find out the next number we have to add 5 to this number. Okay, because here numbers are in increasing order. जब बेटा हमारे numbers increasing order में होते हैं तो हम add करके find out करते हैं और अगर हमारे numbers decreasing order में होते हैं तो हम subtract करके find out करते हैं. So here 4 is our first number. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So here we get the next number. Now 9 plus 5 that is equal to 14 and here 14 plus 5 that is equal to 19 and now we have to find out the next number. So 19 plus 5 that is equal to 24. So 24 is the correct answer and it is in option number D. So option D is correct. Here in this example it is given 33, 30, 27, 24 and then dash. Options are A 19, B 20, C 21 and D 29. So here beta you can see the numbers are in decreasing order. यहाँ पे numbers जो हैं वो कम हो रहे हैं. So again first of all we have to find out the difference of first two numbers. Here 33 is the greater number and 30 is the smaller number. So 33 minus 30 is equal to 3. So let's see how they have to solve. 33 minus 3, यहाँ पे हमने 33 में से जब 3 minus किया we get 30. Again 30 minus 3 is equal to 27 and 27 minus 3 is equal to 24. Now we have to find out this next number. So again we have to subtract 3 from 24. So 24 minus 3 is equal to 21. Okay, so our next number is C part, option C 21. Okay, the next number is 21. Option C is correct. Understood beta? Now the homework questions. So beta, I am giving you homework and you have to do these questions according to these number series 12, 24, 36 and you have to find out the next number and our options are A 48, B 49, C 50 and D 51. In question number 2, 14, 28, 42 dash and options are A 54, B 55, C 56 and D 57. In question number 3, 16, 14, 12 and dash. So here A 11, B 10, C 9 and D 8. In question number 4, 50, 45, 40 dash and options are A 38, B 37, C 36 and D 35. And in question number 5, 10, 20, 30 and dash. Options are A 32, B 34, C 38 and D 40. So you have to do accordingly. Okay, beta? Now the homework solution of chapter number 13, number series 1, lecture number 13. Now beta, I had given you homework, and in that we have to find out the odd one out. So in question number 1, it is given 5, 15, 24 and 30. And our options are A 30, B 24, C 15, D 5. So here we have 5, 15 and 30. These are the numbers which comes in the table of 5. Okay. So except 24, है ना? 24 को छोड़कर 5, 15 और 30 ये सभी नंबर हमारी 5 की टेबल में आते हैं. ओके बेटा? So here 24 is the odd one. Okay, so our options, option number B, 24 is the correct answer. This is odd one. Okay beta? Now in question number 2, it is given 3, 6, 9, 11, 15 and 18. So here again we have to find out the odd one. So options are A3, B6, C9 and D11. So here you can see that these all numbers comes in the table of 3 except 11. है ना? 11 को छोड़कर ये सभी नंबर हमारे 3 की टेबल में आते हैं. So option number D is correct. Okay, 11. Now in question number 3, it is given 5, 9, 11, 23 and 24. And our options are A23, B24, C11 and D9. So here beta, which is the odd one? So here we have to think, because this is not a table of any number. So here what is the relationship between them? That is, all are odd numbers except 24. 24 को छोड़कर बेटा सभी हमारे odd numbers हैं. 5, 9, 11 and 23. Okay, so here 24 is odd one. So option B is correct. Now in question number 4, 2, 4, 6, 7, 12. So options are A6, B7, C12 and D2. So here you can see these all numbers are comes in the table of 2 except 7, as well as they all are even numbers. So we can write all these numbers 2, 4, 6 and 12 comes in the table of 2, or we can say that all these numbers are even numbers except 7. So 7 is the odd one number, and 7 is in option number B. So option B is correct. Now in question number 5, 6, 12, 18, 24, 31 and 36. Options are A12, B18, C24 and D31. Here you can see that all these numbers are comes in the table of 6 except 31. 31 को छोड़कर बेटा सभी नंबर जो हैं ये हमारे 6 की टेबल में आते हैं. Okay, so option number D is correct. Okay, because in D it is given 31. So 31 is the odd one number. Option D, 31 is correct. Thank you.